Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uninstall or remove the Facebook Messenger app from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it guys. Whatever app you installed it, there will be listed here guys. You can simply click on this three dot icon and select uninstall it guys. For example, I'm gonna search here Messenger. Click on this three dot icon over here and click on uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on uninstall and the messenger app will be uninstalled guys. Wait for it. After getting uninstalled done, close it off here. That's how you uninstall the Facebook Messenger app guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.